lot.
Yes, we do.
And we love to watch Minecraft a lot.
And we love YouTube video.
And we love you very much.
Yes, we do.
And that's true. Okay, I'm blowing up this area. Doesn't look like any kind of decoration, because once you get close to it, bomb. That's what happened. That was what is gonna happen. Oh, this
So I'm gonna go far away because, you know,
we want to show those guys looking around.
let's do some fireworks.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lock myself in here. That's nice. I'm gonna break that torch. Break this bed. The whole house has.
Did you see that? That was so cool. So cool, so cool, so cool.
This never had a door. Okay.
So good. It's what? So,
Okay, this side needs lots of it.
let's blow up the animals.
No decoration, crazy TNT.
TNT. I'm gonna try. Okay. Well, guys, pigs! Don't escape. You'll never escape. That's dumb. Just got wrecked. Chickens won't survive long. Make obsidian. Nice.
Why are we making obsidian?
I don't know.
Well, that's one way to make decoration. We should build on a whole tutorial.
Bye.
Let's blow up the villages.
You can blow it up. I blow up the beacon.
I'm gonna make it all around the room. Very smoothly.
Look at this. I blew up the beacon. That's the end of it. No, I don't want it.
Okay.
Who says enchantment tables are indestructible? Well, no, they aren't.
Okay, please tell children who are watching this, what does indestructible mean?
Indestructible means unbreakable.
Okay, guys, you may scream. I don't know.
What is that?
It's my sister.
What?
I don't know what she's saying out there. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. But she's gonna act like this.
That's it. Half of it is it blowing at us.
Okay, I
They
think
do good. Bye, Doctor. I'm gonna check Dr. Taylor.
no.
I think you're done, Doctor. Yeah, Doctor's done. Doctor is so done.
Yes. No.
I think Dr. Taylor's lived. That's impressive. Oh, look,
I'm gonna make Stitch's
guys,
tower.
Look. Boom. Why didn't that always go?
Okay, let's see.
Not good.
Okay, I want to show you Mega Iceland. Okay, I don't know what it's called.
Remember when I blew this up one time and it took me forever? It took us forever. A million TNT.
Blowing things up makes me sick.
Me too. Like I don't want to, but it's like I need to, right? Like I need to make videos. outros. Who needs outros? Talk about burning outros. That's a good. Let's blow things up. No more outros. Why did I do that? I don't know. So please, I'll blow you up. I'll tap it up. You're about to see this lava.
Okay, I think I blew up most of the polar bear.
Move on.
Moving on. Oh, look, jungles. Don't you like when you see jungles? Well,
Not right now. I love jungles.
yep, we do.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, please.
I know if you don't like, even if you like hate Minecraft, please give us 50,000 subscribers. Who's ever watching this, subscribe right now. If I don't see 50,000 subscribers on this, I'm gonna be so.
Or likes. Or likes.
Yep. If I see one on like,
We're gonna cry to death.
and we're gonna burn from you.
Gonna burn the whole place out. So subscribe, please.
Please, please.
And I would love everywhere.
I've been waiting for you to subscribe to my videos.
Yeah.
You think my videos are bad? Huh? 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 They're not.
But if they are, they kind of are.
Kind of wrong. Kind of wrong. Think they're bad. You think that, but not for me. Not for me.
Some lava.
Okay, that's it. Oh yeah, the Stone Temple.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Wait, see what's in it. I want to teleport.
No, don't blow it up. I know. I just been placing TNT.
I want to look what's in there. I forgot what's in there.
I've always looked in there.
But I these secrets. The secret.
You
Follow
never
the
know.
name tag. I followed the name tag. Break it. There's something in here. I want to look. I saw them. It's spooky. Oh, what did I do? What am I doing? Am I forgetting how to play Minecraft? Are you here? Emerald. Flame and infinity. That's pretty good. Go out.
Okay, I need to blow up this area.
Trap the zombie.
Ah, I chopped myself.
Prepare to die. Puh.
Okay, we blew that up.
I put a lot of lava.
Well, it's gonna help.
Yeah! Of course it is.
Okay, I don't know why we're going to regular land.
You said regular land.
Regular land. Regular
Regular
land.
land. Regular land.
Okay, I think it's over here. Where we
I'm gonna find where the end.
all girls. All
I'm gonna
girls.
find where the end is at, and I'm gonna blow it up. Where's the end?
It says happy bye. Go to the hotel store.
No. Please tell me there's an end here. I find the end.
You're not blowing up. You're playing around, aren't you? You're in the way.
I'm gonna find where the end is at.
The end.
Come on, higher.
Blow this up.
I think. There has to. There's the notebook too. You wanna teleport?
I can't.
Yeah? Why don't you think that? Isn't the mine shaft next to it?
Just keeps on getting higher.
I'm gonna teleport you.
Oh, you can. I told you.
So that's
Oh
cool.
boy, this is taking me to heights.
Okay. Oh yeah.
This is taking me to heights. This is taking me to heights. How far does this go?
They probably can't see us. So let's get up. Okay, you can see us guys now. I'm sorry for the things you can't see, but